Welcome everybody. Today we've got Cobra Viper Trooper. Actually did have the rifle and the backpack. From what I recall, this was sort of the what do you call it? Basically, this was them trying to sell more toys, but this guy was the replacement to the original Cobra Trooper. A little more fancier gun. And I think it seemed like it would, maybe not. So it seemed, like I said, I'm trying to remember it. It seemed like it used to be able to grab both, and to carry it or whatever. But and it do it. Like I say, this is one of the ones where the head tilts, so it's at least 3rd gen. Trying to think, lots of little details. The cargo pockets on the side. What did he have on his? He got, looks like, I think those are supposed to be grenades. And, pouches on the belt. I don't think there was anything below the backpack. Just some, cloth details. I'm not sure what that deal is there. The electronics in there. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like a part Android or what. I don't know. I don't remember much about that one. Knee pads. This one appears to have not got much wear and tear. I'm pretty sure he came along about the time I was moving off of G.I. Joe, getting more interested in having a car and being able to drive and go places. But there's a little focus on the backpack, maybe. Got looks like a canteen, more grenades. Cobra logo actually embossed on it. That's nothing on the side, just some ridges. And of course nothing. No, and the rifle. Well, there's lots of small details in it, but nothing really amazing there. And one closer look at his I guess face or lack thereof. Obviously it's sort of modeled after the original Cobra Commander with the battle mask. His vest, I guess it's probably a flak jacket for being a soldier. Gloves, like I say, lots of little details, but nothing really over the top crazy with it. I got a real good crazy one tomorrow, so stay tuned for that for sure. I didn't find many of the pieces for tomorrow's, but it's definitely, after they had jumped the shark, so to speak, it's out there. That's all I'll say about. That's the only hint I'll give you about that one, and it is not Serpentor. Okay, but anyways, there he is. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.